Today, the day of our Lord, March 22, 2026. Son of man, can these bones live? Ezekiel chapter 37. Son of man, can these bones live? There was a noise, and behold, a shaking, and the bones came together, bone to his bone. And when I beheld, lo, the sinews and the flesh came up upon them, and the skin covered them above, and the breath came into them, and they lived and stood up upon their feet, an exceeding great army. Ezekiel chapter 37. Please watch and listen to this phenomena in details. Tonight on my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, at 9 o'clock, I will explain this scientifically. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.